So hey guys, my name is Deborah. Today's video seems rather common sense, at least that's what the title may lead you to believe. However, it's not. This video is for those who are trying out new products for the first time or they are not used to them very much. So here's some simple tips and tricks to be able to get the most out of your new product. So I'm starting out with the basics. I've got few tips for you on what you might find helpful. So just kick it off with the basics. So you have picked up the new product and you want to test it out. Always test out on a clean hair. That way you're going to get a fair understanding of how that product works. As if you apply the product to your dirty hair and then it's mixing with your own hair well, and then you blame the product for being too heavy for your hair. Is that really the product's fault, or is that your fault for being a filthy smelly man? You know, who knows? So always apply it to clean hair so you can find out. Next tip. When you take the product out of your jar, do not just dab it straight into your hair and then start mixing it up.
I think that's a really good look.
This is just a video on how to apply hair product. So okay, that's good. You can stop it. You gotta mix it up in your hands first and emulsify it all the way so you can get an even coating on both hands. I used to simply take the product out and put it in my hair and then mix it in my hair. That's gonna result in gobs of like junk in sections rather than being coated out properly. Next tip. When you apply the product to your hair after emulsifying it completely in your hands, it's very important to get an even coating all over your hair. Not only everywhere around your head but also down into the roots, because that's what's gonna make a difference between a hairstyle lasting for a couple hours and a hairstyle lasting all day. Always start with less product and apply more if necessary. So you wanna start with less product. If you add too much product in your hair, it will do one of the two things. First of all, it might weigh your hair down later on the day, because if you add too much, your hair flops. So if you want it to stay up, apply less, add more if necessary. The second thing that might happen is that your hair might become over excessively sticky, making it impossible for you to run your hands through it. Imagine like if you take a rock and then dip it and coat it in loads of honey. It's just a hard sticky mess which is impossible to work with. So that could happen to your hair if you're not careful. So with these 4 tips, this video is conclusion. This video is concluded. This video is ending. Thank you guys for always sticking around, watching my videos and clicking on the like button. And so guys, I see you everyone on the next video. So subscribe to this channel and goodbye.